In simple words, image classification is a technique that is used to classify or predict the class of a specific object in an image. The main goal of this technique is to accurately identify the features in an image. The inputs are usually an image of a specific object, and the outputs are the predicted classes that define and match the input objects. So, let's try to make it in Scratch. Connect and enable your webcam. Open Scratch web interface from a link displayed on the screen. Load ML2 Scratch extension. From ML2 SCRATCH group, pick Train Label 1, Train Label 2 and Train Label 3 blocks. Make sure to check counts of Label 1, 2 and 3 reporter blocks. Clean up the desk and move a cat sprite to the corner. Place the first object of the Class 1 on the desk and click on Train Label 1 block. In this case, it's a pen. After the training process is complete, the count of Label 1 will increase to 1. Remove the first object and place the second object of Class 1 and click on Train Label 1 again. Repeat these steps and train as many objects as you have available for Class 1. Rotate and flip the objects. After the training process for Class 1 is complete, place the first object of Class 2 on the desk. In this case, it's a marker. Click on Train Label 2 block. Remove the first object and place the second object of Class 2 and click on Train Label 2 again. Repeat these steps and train as many objects as you have available for Class 2. Third class will be used for an empty desk. So, train the Label 3 with few images of an empty desk. After training process for all classes is complete, we can start programming. Use when received Label 1, 2 and 3 starter blocks to handle the classification results. Add say blocks with pen, marker, or empty desk text as you can see on the video. Now it's time to test it. Place and remove the objects from Class 1 and Class 2 to see the results of the classification. Does it work as expected?